back to you here in a few minutes. Yardbird. Over dog in Tennessee.
Got it all. They're going back.
Have a good night over around Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Sandy got 27 around the Hogyard said it done back why.
Straight no pain, happy. Walker dog in Tennessee. Oh, Walker dog in Tennessee. Working my stick man. I have one myself here now. I think most of them over here in California all them I gotta give you one short. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Catch you later.
Hey, 357, you got that down coming up in the Backwoods. Let's see if I can ease up in the mix. 357, 225, right? Yeah, you got that hammer down. Hey, 357, you coming in on top of all that hash and trash? All that heterodyne. Good Lord have mercy. Hey, 357, I want to bump it down way before in one wave, man. See if I could get up in there and see if them boys will let me talk. 357, 225, break off.
Where you're at out there, little familiar 73s on the west side. Pretty much grew up out there. Hey, Machete, I'll get back with you. Doggone thing went to library. Out there, take care out there, man. Take care out there around the cornfields. Ain't no doubt about it, man. You're the wrong place.
I heard somebody on the west side of Michigan, man, but they got rough and tough. 357, 401 wave from me and mine, you and yours, and all the 44s. Who was that on the west side of Michigan bumping it down? 225 right back.
I'm tired of the rat race. Had some other stuff going on with current issues, and it was time to get out of the race down south there. Get in 357. Hey, I hear that. Your name. Hey, I'm calling your name out there, Walker Dog, in the hills of Tennessee, man. Yeah, I know you did. I was out there.
Play rough and tough, they go round. 357, keep on to keep it on, man. A bunch of them trying to ease up in the mix. Trying to ease up in your Kool-Aid. Keep on to keep it on. 357, 225. I'll see you. Bye.
How about it out there around here? No condition. 5 miles I'm trying. Down here in Magnolia. Memphis. 225, sounding good in Tennessee. Hey, 225, sounding good in Tennessee. I'm looking for conditions. How about it out there, DX? Oh, Memphis, Tennessee, looking around there.
Hey, boy, why are you trying to get too fast? I heard you when I was pointed up looking north, so I swung it over a little bit and got a little more of you. Machete, 225, break out.
Hey, 966, you don't think it might be some kind of global warming effect or something like that, some kind of scientific reason why we get good conditions tonight? No, break. I wish I could hear 225. Weather modification. That's right, we got some weather modification.
Hey,
trust me, you don't want to hear 225. You don't want to hear 225. He's been up on my radio all day long. It wears out on you after a while. 266, Minnesota said it. Back out.
Mr. Machete, out west, check it out.
Hey, 225. You rolling up in the Machete said.
That's what I got. Break out.